Hello friends and welcome back to handwriting. Today we're going to be learning about the little letter, a lowercase e. So show me that little letter hand signal. That way I know that you know that it fits between the top line and the bottom line. So an E can be a little tricky. There's quite a few more steps than the I that we did yesterday. We have 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I want you to watch me first and then I will have you trace. But everybody put your pencil down and watch me first. You always want to put your pencil down to make a little dot like this, starting in the middle of these lines, because you don't want to start at the top and you definitely don't want to start at the bottom. So you're going to put your pencil down in the middle and zoom across a little line. Remember we used zoom when we were doing our lowercase t. So let's zoom across. Then you want to go up and around and kind of make a circle. You'll notice that it looks kind of like a half circle. That's how you close that E. So starting right here, zoom across, up and around. Final step is you need to know when to stop. You want to make sure that that E has an open space right here. It's not a complete circle. So starting right here in the middle, zoom across, up and around and stop. Okay, now I want you to grab your pencil and do this with me. We're going to trace this E right here. Put your pencil in the middle, zoom across, up and around and stop. Make sure you leave that open space right there. Now we have our uppercase E right here. You are more than welcome to trace that for a little freshly reminder, a little practice with your uppercase big letter E. But I want everyone to trace this lowercase e right here, this little letter. So starting in the middle, zoom, up and around and stop. Okay, now let's try it with just the dot. So this is a test to see if you got it. Zoom, up and around and stop. Show me those thumbs up if you feel pretty confident. If you want, you can definitely trace these E's that are in between for a little extra practice. I want you to go ahead and do these 3. Zoom, up and around, and stop. 2 more. Awesome job. Now we need to check that E. So if you want, add that dot. I highly recommend, especially with this letter, because it's a little bit different. We're not starting at the top line like we normally do. So we're going to zoom across, up and around, and stop. Right here we have E is for eel. And how many E's are in the word eel? Good job. I see 2 also. So E-E-L spells eel. Can you think of any other word that starts with the letter E? Awesome job, friends. One of my favorite animals actually starts with an E, and that is elephant. Who else loves elephants? Good job, writers. Y'all did awesome today. See y'all tomorrow.